A very warm welcome to all of you. I am Mrs. Khushbu Pathak, Assistant Professor, Department of Management, SSMB Bhilai, Chhattisgarh. Today, I am going to discuss the basics of marketing research. This subject is a part of BBA 5th semester. So, in my today's presentation, I am going to discuss introduction, importance, and nature. So let's discuss about the introduction of marketing research. Marketing research has two terms, marketing and research. So let us understand the meaning of these two terms separately. Marketing means buying and selling activities, and research means a systematic and complete study of a problem. It is done by experts. It uses scientific methods. Thus, we can say marketing research is a systematic method of collecting, recording, and analyzing of data which is used to solve marketing problems. Basically, what marketing research is all about. Basically, in marketing research, we are trying to identify whatever the marketing related various problems which exist in the market or the business scenario. We are trying to find out those problems, and at the same time we are trying to solve those problems and providing the right solution of these problem for decision making, for planning, for ultimately we are trying to collect right type of data and information, then recording, then analyzing of these data and information, so that we can use these data and information in a best possible manner, and at the same time we can achieve the organizational goals and objectives. So let us discuss the importance of marketing research. Marketing research provides valuable data. Basically, what we are doing is that we are gathering data and information. So the data which are very useful, and it helps in the organization for their working. So researchers most of the time tries to collect best data and valuable data as possible as he can. So the valuable data can be collected only by the marketing research. Then it studies and provides data about consumer behavior. Basically, study about consumer behavior, it is very difficult to judge or to have any kind of analysis about the consumers' likes and dislikes, their taste and preferences, their actual consumer behavior. So it is very difficult to know about the actual psychology of the customers or consumers. But here in marketing research, what we are doing is that we are collecting the data and information, we are studying about the consumer behavior, the buying motives of the customers, and providing the right type of data and informations to the organization. Next, it helps to select suitable sales promotional techniques. Definitely it is possible because we are collecting right type of data and information which will be useful in the organization for planning, decision making, for new product development, as well as product promotion also, sales promotion and product promotion also. So definitely if we are collecting the right type of data and information, that will definitely help in selecting a particular type of sales promotional techniques or product promotion techniques or advertising related techniques. Next, it supplies market related information. Definitely in marketing research, we are studying and analyzing the problems of the market, at the same time providing the solutions of the those problems which we are having, those marketing related problems. So definitely we are collecting the data related to the market, as well as we are supplying those data and information to the organization. It helps a company to evaluate its marketing performance. Definitely, it will help to evaluating how we can evaluate the performance of the marketing. So, it is possible by profit maximization, by sales maximization, by achieving a market share. How we can achieve these goals? By collecting the right type of data and information and using these data and information at the right time in a right manner, so that proper decision making, planning, implementation can be done in the organization, so we can easily evaluate the performance of the marketing. It also has miscellaneous needs and importance, definitely. There are numerous importance and needs are there in marketing research, and some of them we have already discussed. In next slide again we are having some of the importance and needs. Marketing research improves the efficiency of the marketing department. This creates goodwill and good reputation. Definitely it is possible because researchers are doing their best job doing collecting the right type of data and information. So the efficiency of these researchers and executives will improved. At the same time, departmental level, we can say efficiency of department itself will increase. And if we are collecting the right data and information, that definitely we are providing the good quality products and services to the customers. So ultimately it leads to the goodwill and good reputation and the brand name of the organization. So it's definitely possible just because of marketing research. Next, it helps the marketing manager to take the rational and effective decisions. It is possible because we are collecting the right type of data and information, current and accurate data which we are going to use. So definitely it is possible to take the effective decisions in the organization. And it helps to choose suitable staff for doing research. Definitely we have to select the people who are actually they are having the skills required, the knowledge required, the ability required, the expertise required. So we must check the availability of that staff, the suitability of that staff, so they are available for conducting the research in the market. So it is definitely possible for for getting a good staff and providing research related work to them. It is used to make growth and expansions program. Definitely the information data whatever we have collected, this will not only help for new product development, but it also help in the growth of the organization. Expansion related plans can be it can be a product modifications, it can be the new product lines we can offer, the new advertising, new promotional techniques which we are going to introduce in the market. So this will definitely helps in the various dimensions. Last, it benefits all. That is, it benefits to the company, distributor, advertising agency, consumer, government and the entire society. Definitely marketing research, its work is to provide the right data and information for taking the right type of decision making in the organization. So it definitely helps to the company as well as the distributors, the advertising agency which we are making the advertisements from, helping with the help of these peoples, and the consumer also. We are trying to identify, we are trying to know about the needs and wants, the taste and preferences of the customers. So it will definitely help for the consumer also, and the government as well, as because government introduces the various government policies which are directly and indirectly affecting the entire organization. At the end, last but not the least, the entire society will definitely marketing research help the entire society as well. The nature. Let us discuss the nature. Some of the points. First point is that the nature, marketing research as an economic resource. It's an economic resource. Basically, there are 5 factors of production like land, labor, capital, entrepreneurship and management. In small organizations where departments management are not identified, all the functions are performed by the entrepreneurs himself. But in large organization, entrepreneurs cannot alone perform all the managerial functions. For this, to employ formally trained in various functional areas of management, marketing department established and as a section of marketing research to be set up to keep abreast environmental changes. Definitely in a small organization we are having some of the factor of production we can easily use and manage all those factor of production. But in the large organizations which where we are having the different departments, basically there are 5 departments: production department, finance department, marketing department, HR department and systems department. But marketing department we are separately having the marketing research department, So in marketing research department, we are trying to collect the right type of data and information, and definitely we are knowing whatever the changes and dynamism taking place in the environment, in the environment or the current business scenario. So it should be a economic resource of the organization. Next, marketing research as a system of authority. Our system is an assemblage of interacting and interrelated elements so as to form complex whole to accomplish common objectives, and authority is a legal right to command others to act or not to act in a prescribed manner. Marketing research is also a system such as collecting, recording, tabulating, analyzing and interpreting the data. Which of these activities is performed by some specialist, this he possesses an authority to guide or direct workers or investigators, his command and supervision. Ultimately, what we are trying to say here, the system of authority. In organization itself is an open system where there are different interacting and interrelated elements are come together, and they are working towards the achieving the common goals and objective for the organization. So some people are having the higher authority, some people are having the lower authority. So it depends on the hierarchy of the management. Most of the time top level and middle level management are having some sort of authority, so that they can guide and they can give instructions to the lower level management, so the work will done in a smooth manner. So it is definitely possible. It's basically a system. We are following a system in the organization. At the same time, employees and managers and executives, are top level management, are having the authorities to guide, to instruct the lower level management, the workers, the specialist investigators, which they are working for the data collection or data analysis related activities. So next, marketing research as a function of marketing management. Definitely, as a study of as a field of study, essential activities of marketing includes selling, buying, transporting, storing, grading, standardizing, risk-taking, financing and information gathering. Here, the final function of marketing is information handling, which means marketing research. So, marketing management involves the numerous aspects, but data collection or collecting the information is one of the function of marketing department itself. So definitely marketing research is a function of marketing management. Basically, it is a part of marketing management. Then next, marketing research as a teamwork or a group effort. Marketing research is performed by a group or teams of executive carrying out different functional activities. An integrated effort is needed from all the marketing research executive who are doing different jobs. Marketing research executives function as a team rather than individuals, that synergistic advantages can accrue to the firm. Definitely, a single person cannot perform all the functions related to marketing research. Means how he can collect the data related to advertisement, related to the customer, the markets. So there are numerous dimensions and aspects which we are trying to covers or collect the data and information related to the different areas of the market. So it's not possible that a single person perform all these functions. So here the teamwork is required, a proper team is formed, proper group is made. So it is definitely a group effort. Teamwork is needed to perform all the functions of the marketing related activities. And this work is done by the executives, the staff, the specialists, and they are doing the different job by governed by the organization and provided by the organization. So if different individuals are doing their actual work, so definitely the cooperation will exist. They will cooperate to each other, and teamwork and group effort will definitely possible in a organization. So definitely we will achieve the goals of the organizations or complete our work. Marketing research as an art or science. Art is a style of performing a particular activity. It does not have its own techniques and depends for this upon other disciplines. Different individuals have different styles of making and implementing decisions. art of performing various functions varies from individual to individual. Each manager's ability in solving particular problem facing him depends upon how well he utilizes the available scientific techniques. Here, we are trying to cover art as well as science. So, basically, what is art? Art is a style of performing something. We are doing something, we are drawing, we are doing the sketching, we are writing something. So, we are performing our work in a best possible manner, in a very effective manner, so that we can done this work in a very creative and innovative manner, but it varies from individual to individual. Just to talk about the hobbies, different people are having the different types of hobby. Some are expert in the computer related drawing, some are doing the sketching, some are doing the paintings, some are good at the slogan writing, some people are good at the writing or dancing. So different people are having the different art and they are performing in a different manner. So what we are trying to talk about, marketing research itself is an art. It is taking the help of other disciplines also, and there are different style of making and implementing decisions. So different individual to individual, the art is differed. So in the next level, we can say marketing research is also a science. How we can say that? Here individuals are facing different type of problems. So again it differs from one individual to another. So what resources they are using, how they are utilizing their resources, how they are using the scientific tools and techniques. So basically marketing research is science as well as art. Then marketing research as a profession, definitely it's a profession. People are working as a researcher, as an executive, as a marketing research managers. A profession refers to any occupation by which a person earns his livelihood. A person is an occupation for which specialized skills and training are required, and the use of these skills is not meant for self-satisfaction, but these are not used for the larger interest of the society. In marketing research, knowledge of various techniques like gathering, analyzing, and interpreting of data exist. An individual can acquire these knowledge for entering into these professions. So, for marketing research as a profession, an individual is required a different types of skills, the knowledge, the aptitude, the attitude. So these are the things which a person is needed or individual is needed, so that he can opt marketing research as a profession. So right different type of skill is required, the knowledge is required for gathering the data, analyzing the data, for interpreting the data, so that we can use these data as an information for the organization. So the people who are having the right type of skills, right type of skill set and knowledge and attitude, so they can definitely go for the marketing research as a profession. Marketing research as an interdisciplinary process. Research is conducted in all the disciplines of physical and social sciences in almost the similar manner as in the field of marketing. We employ the similar research processes with the almost common research activities like collecting, tabulating, analyzing, and interpreting data for solving various problems in all other disciplines such as economics, sociology, psychology, physics, and chemistry. So marketing research is interdisciplinary. This is taking help of different areas, the field of studies, which can be the economics, sociology, psychology, physics, and chemistry. So we are using the tools and techniques of the different field of study, the different subjects, for conducting the different types of research for the marketing. So my conclusion is that marketing research is it's a opportunity for the organization to identify the problems of the market, so that we can identify those problems, providing the solution of those problems, and ultimately the planning and implementation, and definitely the right decision can be possible for the managers, and the goal achievement, the objective achievement is definitely possible by the marketing here we are collecting the right type of data and information, and we are using these data and information for ultimately achieving our goals and objectives of the organization. Thank you.